Welcome back. Finally, we are in a stage to implement our first microservice. We will start with API definition, then we will generate stubs or skeleton out of our API definition, and finally we will implement our APIs. I will be using Maven as a build tool for this exercise, and our project will be Maven Multi-module project. So let's get started. I am using IntelliJ for this, but you can use any IDE of your choice. So create new project. Say it will be a Maven project, and I have selected Java 11 as I have Java 11 on my local machine. I will go to next. Here we can define our microservice name as it will be a Maven multi-module project. Let's say it will be a parent project, so customer service parent. All right, and finish. It will take few seconds and everything should be here. So this is our parent project, and now we will add our child project or module to this parent project. So I'm gonna have 3 child module for this. The first will be the API project, where we're gonna define our APIs. Second will be stubs project, which will be created out of this API definition project, and third will be our implementation. So let's get started. I'm going to add module. The name of the module will be customer service API schema. Perfect. The second module will be customer service API REST Fin, as we're going to use Fin client for this. So our second module is customer service API REST Fin, and let me add the third module. The third module will be customer service server. Basically this service will have our main implementation of customer service. Finish. So we have here 3 modules with us. Customer service API REST Fin. This project will consist of API stubs generated from our API definition. Customer service API schema. In this project we're going to define our API schema about all the endpoints which this service is supposed to expose to the outside, and finally customer service server. Here this will be the project which contains the whole implementation and business logic for our service. We can delete this source module as a package as we don't need it. It's a in parent, and you will also see its modules automatically added in the parent project. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson we will start defining our APIs. Thank you everyone.